Okay, step one, buy your filter when it says order filter. That's the first step. Now for the fridge we have, we need to get this specific filter. We learned this based on the old filter, the first filter that was given in it. And I will tell you where the filter is located, but first get your filter. So I'm going to open this up and then we're going to go from there. So you need to order your filter. If you do not order a filter, then you will not be able to, you know, start having, you know, just to have the clean water. That's pretty much the purpose of a filter. So you need to order your filter. This is what you need to look for, specifically this thing right here. I'm just gonna put this here and order your filter. So there you go. Here's the filter. So order your filter online. Right here, Ice Pure refrigerator water filter. Get your filter. Always look for, this is the version that changes from all of them. So look for this, and then this is the box. You can contact information, and here are the instructions de installation. Yeah, where are they actually? So here it is. The actual, can I zoom out on here? Replace filter every 6 months. They give you also a place to, you know, here's the information. They also give you a place on the actual filter to write the date that you put in the filter, so that you actually can check that way itself. But nowadays our refrigerators are very good. So first, on models without a replacement indicator light, apply the month sticker to a new cartridge and mark your calendar to remind you to replace the filter after 6 months. We have replacement indicators, especially in the newer versions, and I'm pretty sure if you have the newer versions, it will tell you when to replace. But if it doesn't, they give you a month sticker so you know when it's past 6 months to replace your filter. Then the second step, remove old filter cartridge by grasping and gently turning counterclockwise a 1 1/4 turn until it releases from the filter head. So now you need to release the old cartridge by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the protective foil from the end of the new filter. Fill the replacement filter with a little water from the tap to allow for better flow immediately after installation. Insert new filter into filter head and rotate clockwise until filter stops. Close the filter cover. Run water from the dispenser for 6 to 8 minutes, about 3 to 4 gallons, to clear the system and prevent spluttering. On models with a replacement indicator light, press and hold the reset water filter pad on the dispenser. Okay, so we're gonna get this open now. So, can I just use this? Oh, it's open. This just opened right here. I'm just gonna take out one filter. That's all that's needed, but obviously, just, you know, buy it from whatever. And actually, if you can get like a wholesale with more than one, because you're gonna have to replace it anyways around like six months, then I mean that'll cost you probably less. So smart move there. One filter right here. That's the filter we're gonna use. Okay. For your refrigerator. Instructions. Installation. Alright, so now we're going to do the first step, and then I'm going to open this up and I'll show you it, and then we'll get started. Okay guys, here is the filter. No more plastic going on here. Place filter every 6 months. Unlock, lock. Gives you all the details you need. This is your filter box, instructions inside. Okay. So they actually have your stickers to tell you exactly the date. And I'm pretty sure there is a thing where you can put it somewhere. oh, they changed the version. There was actually a thing where you could write it. Now it's a sticker thing, which is actually pretty smart. They give you some stickers, so that's pretty cool. Put that in the fridge if you don't need it. Okay, so I have the box. That's all I really need for the installation thing. So first step, remove old filter cartridge by grasping and gently turning counterclockwise a 1/4 turn until it releases from the filter head. So just pretty much just gently start turning it counterclockwise and pretty much until it comes out, which 1/4 turn, you can't really calculate it that well, so let's do that. Okay guys, from the first step, that was turning the old filter. Old filters will be in your top right corner, usually at least in ours top right corner, but it will be, I'm pretty sure, in the top direction. So top right corner for our fridge, and basically what you do is you have a button right here, a lever, just open this up. This was the old filter if you want to know your version. And basically what you do, it's at counterclockwise, so it has even the indicator here. Just start turning, keep turning this until it comes out. Some water will come out because the filter obviously does have water in it. You can see here that there's some water in the filter here. So that's the old filter right here, and pretty much it gives you the installation date, so you know 6 months. Here, this was the old version without the sticker. And this is the version, so if you want to know your version, that's where it is. So this was the spot right here, and now we're going to put the next one. Okay guys, next step. Remove the protective foil from the end of new filter. This was our old filter right here. This is our new filter right here. Ice Pure. So, third step, we need to remove the protective foil from the end of the new filter. Fill the replaced filter with a little water from the tap to allow for better flow immediate after installation. Open this up, put a little bit of water on this top right here. So remove before use. So let me get some scissors and we can do it. Alright, so right here is our new filter. This area right here, you need to put a little bit of water so that it works a little better. So just any of your tap water, your sinks, just any of that kind of water, just put in from step number here 3. Remove the protective foil from the end of new filter. Fill the replacement filter with a little water
to take out
from
the
tap.
Mineral impurities.
Yeah, this will take out, that's pretty much the purpose of a filter, take out the impurities, make the water cleaner. But obviously we want to respect the water that already is pretty good, but if it isn't, you know, that's okay. How much do you fill it?
Oh, just a little bit, because it's trying to this the water, pour it down. Yeah, because of this, you use the water for that. That's it.
So basically what has to be done is you have a little bit of water, just like shake it up in there, then just clean pretty much the bottle from the inside, and that's what we put in. So now we're going to put that in. Because we took it out counterclockwise, it is common sense that we put it in clockwise. So install new filter into head and rotate clockwise until filter. So install it, close the filter cover, run water from dispenser for 6 to 8 minutes, clear the system, and then yep, that's pretty much all. So we're just gonna put this in, close the thing, start testing out with some water, because in the beginning the water will not be as clean. With that water, we just throw that out, because as you've probably used as a coffee machine as well, it works like that. You can see it more clearly, I'm pretty sure though. So many of the machines that have filters and using new water require that you throw away the beginning water because it won't be clean. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'll show you that. Alright guys, putting in the filter, very simple here. Just, you see this right here, this top part. Just gonna turn it, and as you can see, this thing tells you to take it. So this is locked, so I need to go right. And then just turn lock it in. Oh, very simple to put in here. It's already staying stationary, as you can see. Right there. Just turn it. And looks good. Right there. Turn as much as it can. Close the head. Boom. Close right here in the top right. And now, well, the last step is just to take a cup, put in some water in it, and throw that water out because it won't be clean. Do that for 6 to 8 minutes, and then you should be done. Your system should be good. Always check your model because your model and stuff will be over on some corner of it, so you can check like the right corner and stuff. That'll give you all the information as well. And pretty much, I don't really need to show you the step of actually doing the water part. That's not pretty simple procedure. Just get some water, see if it's dirty, throw it out pretty much in the beginning, and that's pretty much all. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.